सबको हम लोग का नमस्कार। और हमारी तरफ से ये जो चौथा फोर्थ इन सीरीज है, लेक्चर सीरीज 25th एनिवर्सरी राजीव गांधी कैंसर हॉस्पिटल के की उपलक्ष्य में हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं ये लेक्चर सीरीज फॉर लोकल पीपल। So we have invited for this which for the talk which is very important, क्योंकि हमारे देश में अगर आप देखो सबसे ज्यादा जो कैंसर मर्दों के अंदर होता है या मेल्स में होता है वो है माउथ कैंसर। एंड कॉज क्या है उसका कॉज है तंबाकू का सेवन। तो डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता से अच्छा और कोई स्पीकर इस टॉपिक पे नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज इन्होंने इतने सालों से, मैं देख रहा हूँ 20 साल हो गए कम से कम, कि ही इज वर्किंग डे इन एंड आउट with tobacco people. He has opened his NGO and he's working for the social cause of tobacco cessation, means तंबाकू से कैसे लोगों को निवृत्त करना है। और इन्होंने if you see, he is presently a director of head and neck surgical oncology at Max Cancer Center, Max Vaishali, and he has won many awards, and he is himself senior vice chairman of I Can Win Foundation, and he has authored so many books and all related to tobacco. And I will just name few of them. Win Over Tobacco Made Easy, Be Smart, Do Not Start, Tobacco Cessation, A Comprehensive Guide, Freedom from Slavery and Making an Institute Tobacco Free. And he has several national and international awards he has got because of this. And he has started one university accredited tobacco courses, which is a first of its kind in India, where you will get a certified course which is accredited by Gujarat University. And he is training medical personnel as well as non-medical personnel as well as normal individual in the field of tobacco cessation. Means इस लड़ाई के अगेंस्ट इन काफी ज्यादा काम किया है। इनसे अच्छा हमारे हिसाब से कोई स्पीकर नहीं हो सकता। हम उनके राय लेना चाहते हैं, हम उनके सुनना चाहते हैं कि हम अपने आप को जो इंस्टीट्यूट में टोबैको सेशन क्लिनिक हम लोग के यहाँ है उसको और कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं, और क्या उनके इनपुट्स हैं, और कैसे हम पेशेंट्स की और मदद कर सकते हैं इन सब क्लिनिक से। तो मैं इनवाइट करूंगा डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता को टू स्टार्ट द लेक्चर। थैंक यू डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता फॉर कमिंग।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर मुदित। और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज इतना एक कैंसर हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से, जो सबसे एक पुराना कैंसर हॉस्पिटल माना जाता है इंडिया का, उन्होंने ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को चूज किया है। और ये टॉपिक जो काफी दिनों से हमारे हम एज ए ऑन्को सर्जन, डॉक्टर मुदित भी, हम लोग भी जो कर रहे हैं और 25 साल से ज्यादा हम लोग ने प्रैक्टिस किया है, बट हमारे पास उसका आंसर नहीं था कि ये तंबाकू कैसे छुड़ाया जाए। हमारे फ्रेंड्स होते थे, हमारे पेशेंट्स होते हैं जो तंबाकू लेते हैं, हम लोग उनको ऑपरेट भी कर देते हैं, उसके बावजूद भी वो तंबाकू लेते रहते हैं। तो ये एक मेजर मतलब प्रॉब्लम है, और केवल पेशेंट्स के लिए नहीं, इवन डॉक्टरों के लिए, कि डॉक्टर भी हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि कैसे छुड़वाया जाए, बट वो हेल्प ही नहीं कर पा रहे। सो मेरा जो आज का जो प्रेजेंटेशन होगा इसी सिलसिले में कि हमारे एक जो कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में टोबैको सेंटर्स का क्या काम है, कैसे हम लोग को कैसे चलाना चाहिए, और उसमें किस प्रकार से हम लोग उनको छुड़वा सकते हैं। सो मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूं अभी। सो डॉक्टर मुनीत ने तो इसके बारे में बता ही दिया, मेरे ख्याल से स्क्रीन दिख रहा होगा। सो काफी कुछ इसमें काम किया। अब ये देखिए, मैं छोटे छोटे कुछ एग्जांपल्स देना चाहूंगा। जैसे कि ये एक हमारे यंग एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड थे, और ये तंबाकू रेगुलरली लेते रहते थे। मैंने इसमें यही कहा है, विजिलेंट आई सेव्स ए लाइफ। और ये एक बार हमारे सेंटर पे आए, मतलब रिफर्ड बाय सम डॉक्टर। अगर आप इनका देखिएगा तो इनके एक तो दांत को देखिए, इनके मुंह खुल नहीं रहा है, 2 फिंगर ही खुल रहा है। दांत देखिए, दांत इनके कितने खराब हो रहे हैं। और उसके साथ साथ एक छोटा सा एक लीजन था जो वेरिकोस लीजन था। तो इसको हम लोगों ने निकाला, इसको क्लियर, मतलब हार्डली मेरे ख्याल से 5,000 रुपए भी नहीं खर्चे हुए होंगे इसमें, और इसको हम लोग ने क्योर कर दिया। और इसमें अर्ली कैंसर, जस्ट माइनर डिस्प्लेसिया करके आया, वेरिकोस लीजन विद डिस्प्लेसिया, जो कि एक सिंपल ऑपरेशन से ये ठीक हो सका। और ये जो सेंटर है हमारे जैसे टोबैको एसोसिएशन सेंटर है, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ इट कैन डेवलप। अब ये एक और पेशेंट है जो हमारे टोबैको एसोसिएशन सेंटर में हमारे आए, जो टोबैको एसोसिएशन एंड ओरल स्क्रीनिंग सेंटर, जिसमें हमारे मुंह का सब जांच हुआ। ये तंबाकू लेते थे, पेलेटिव केयर के लिए आए, he was recurrence हुआ था ओरल कैविटी का, सेकंड टाइम रिकरेंस बिकॉज ही वाज टेकिंग टोबैको। बट हमने जब एग्जामिन वगैरह किया तो इसके साथ साथ जो तंबाकू के साथ साथ हमने ये देखा कि इसके एक रूट एब्सेस है, जिसको हमने इसको भी हम लोग ने ट्रीट करके इसको हम लोग ने ठीक किया। और पेशेंट जो है, जो पेन था, जो सीवियर पेन था, दैट कुड बी ट्रीटेड। फर्दर इनका माउथ ओपनिंग जो है उसके ऊपर भी हम लोग ने ट्रिस्केयर करके जैसे एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट उसको हमने दिया जिससे कि वो ठीक हो सके। दिस इज अनदर पेशेंट हु हैड कम फॉर टोबैको सीजेशन इन कैंसर सेंटर। सी हम लोग ये कैंसर सेंटर का स्पेसिफिकली कर रहे हैं क्योंकि जब हम लोग तंबाकू सीजेशन सेंटर करते हैं वहां पे पेशेंट्स काफी जगह से आते हैं, मतलब इट इज जस्ट नॉट फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर्स इटसेल्फ बट पेशेंट्स विल कम फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट पब्लिक आल्सो, एंड दिस वाज अगेन डिटेक्टेड इन आवर टोबैको सीजेशन सेंटर। टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन किसी ने डेंटल कोलीग ने किसी ने बाहर से किया था, बट दिस पेशेंट वाज सेंट फॉर अ टोबैको सीजेशन एंड यू कैन सी दैट कि दांत भी खराब हो रहे हैं, रूट भी खराब हो रहा है, और उसके साथ साथ जब हमने एग्जामिन किया देयर वाज अनदर लीजन देयर इन द oral cavity which was sent to the right doctor and the patient then was treated by the cancer specialist within the hospital. So these are some of the lesions that we see for these patients, जैसे जो तंबाकू छुड़वाने के लिए आते हैं, बट ये सारे लीजन्स भी होते हैं। ये सारे कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि with tobacco cessation in a cancer hospital there are many more things that a dental surgeon or the dental or the tobacco cessation specialist has to do and just not tobacco cessation. So this is a center and that we have got, and if you look at this we have got a complete setup which has got a complete dental workup and also so यहाँ पर क्या क्या चीज होते हैं जो as a tobacco cessation center what all we do in this, एक तो oral screening, oral prophylaxis, oral rehabilitation and tobacco cessation. So when we do all comprehensive treatment the patient gets the best out of it and patients can be easily checked कि उनको क्या चीज की जरूरत है। सो जस्ट टू से ये जो सेंटर हमने लगाया है हमने ये मैक्स हॉस्पिटल में लगाया हुआ है एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉर्पोरेट टोबैको सेशन सेंटर वेयर दिस हैज बीन पुट एंड व्हिच इज रनिंग इन ए प्रॉपर्ली अंडर द आई कैन केयर मतलब कोलैबोरेशन। जो आई कैन केयर कोलैबोरेशन इट इज ए टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी जिसको हमने ही स्टार्ट किया है और इसको हम लोग किस तरीके से हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में हम बता रहे हैं। जस्ट ए स्मॉल जर्नी दैट वी कैन से कि हाउ इट वर्क्स। Initially, when we started this tobacco cessation center in February 2020, अगले पहले महीने तो 37 पेशेंट आए, उसके अगले 6 महीने एक भी पेशेंट नहीं थे। उसके बाद हमारा ये जो कोविड का सिचुएशन चल पड़ा, तो ये सेंटर्स के अंदर हमारे चैलेंजेस थे कि ये पेशेंट्स को क्यों नहीं आ रहे या कैसे आ रहे हैं। तो उसको हम लोग ने जब देखा और उसको हम लोग ने जब वर्कआउट किया, हाउ वी कैन मेक इट इनटू ए वेरी स्पेसिफिक एरिया, जो कि हमारे जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, जो बिगर प्रॉब्लम है, इट इज जस्ट नॉट टोबैको अलोन विच इज ए प्रॉब्लम बट देयर आर मेनी मोर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट वी नीड्स टू टेक केयर। अब टोबैको सेशन सेंटर इन ए कैंसर हॉस्पिटल अगर आप देखिएगा, सो नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी टोबैको सेशन एंड ओरल केयर सेंटर्स किसी भी मेजर कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में नहीं मिलते। एंड let me put it, daily 1 lakh want to quit tobacco but do not have a place to go. India the highest with oral cancers, dying early and painfully. 60% of the patients who visit cancer hospital have tobacco addiction. This is the crux that कि हमारे जितने भी tobacco अगर कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में और केवल कैंसर हॉस्पिटल को भी अगर छोड़ दें तो अगर हमारे दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में भी आप देखें 60% of the patients who visit hospitals need tobacco cessation. But unfortunately such centers do not exist. Or if they exist, they are being handled not in a properly by a skilled person, जो कि what we say it's most like a quackery that is going on rather than a specialized treatment. Nicotine has the greatest addiction that needs to be treated and taken care. It is a complex disease and it has to be treated. Outcome of patients is compromised for the present treatment. जिस ट्रीटमेंट के पेशेंट आया है, अगर टबैको वो चालू रख रहा है तो उसके लिए प्रेजेंट ट्रीटमेंट में भी उसको हानि है। सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन, आगे कोई डिजीज होने के लिए उसमें भी उनको जरूरत है। अगर हम ऑन्कोलॉजी ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, ओरल केयर इज ए मस्ट, जो मैं आगे का बताऊंगा कि किस तरीके से हम लोगों को करना पड़ता है। So this is the most important जो I can care solution है, making centers available across the country, skilled by the specialists. So we do this training program for a tobacco cessation and early diagnosis and intervention for oral cancer. So these overall, it gives an overall picture that we need to do for such centers that will really make a difference. So this is the, you will see this is how it is happening. क्यों इतना टोबैको सेशन सेंटर जरूरत है, और खासकर हमारे अगर हम लोग कैंसर उसमें देखें तो इट इज इवन मोर रिक्वायर्ड। एंड लेट मी पुट इट, 13 lakh deaths because of tobacco every year, and it is 13 lakhs of patients are being added additionally in the system. So these patients die because of cancer, cardiovascular disease, chronic diseases, and these are required for this purpose. और ये हमने एक मुहिम चालू किया, that is what we call as Save the Youth campaign, जो हमारे sensitization, assistance, volunteering and enforcement, so that it works at all the areas, just not tobacco cessation, मतलब tobacco cessation के साथ साथ within the hospital and outside the hospital, how do we work in a tandem and how we make it happen. So the most important thing that we have to work with the system is that हमारे जितने भी tobacco cessation के patients आते हैं, it has to be in a very systematic way. We have to intervene in a very systematic way. और अगर हमें systematic way करना है, as a human are likely to err, but if they are assisted by a system, by technology which has got all the system set, then it becomes easily workable system. So it is a scalable system and it can be sustained. You see, there are a lot of questions whether it is a sustainable thing within a cancer hospital. Is a tobacco cessation anything worth it? So yes, it is a sustainable thing, and we need to scale it up across India and across all the tobacco cancer hospitals that is there. So this is the model that we have created, जिससे कि the specialist who is the doctor, I am a cancer surgeon. So specialist as a cancer surgeon, I am also trained in tobacco cessation. So with me, I have got another person who is the tobacco ambassador, so who is a tobacco counselor, who takes care for all these patients. And then when they see these patients, they counsel them, they intervene, and then they send according to the requirement. They take care, and it has to be under a specialist who has to be into this public. So these are the tobacco marshals in the society who need to work at a different level with the population. They have to work with the population, the volunteers and marshals, so that they influence the society how to help people to quit tobacco. And then these patients, when they come to these centers, tobacco cessation centers in a cancer hospital, they can be taken care in a comprehensive manner, tobacco cessation as well as oral screening and oral care. So these things will create that the whole system that is required for a successful tobacco cessation center. And then camps and workshops, these are all different. So what we have done is we have created this solution, how to make it a successful cessation. अभी हमारा जो tobacco cessation in I Can Care, we are able to provide almost 92% success rate only because of the systematic standardized approach which we have made because of the system that we have got. So number one, we have got the app. App से हमारा किस तरीके से intervene करना है, that is all defined. So that the behavioral therapy, which is the most difficult therapy, is taken care through the systematic approach to this app. It is digitalized and protocol based. So what happens is, along with the app, this app gives us the indication what type of intervention these patients will require, whether this patient will require NRT, whether this patient will require varenicline, what type of intervention this patient will require will be taken care by this app, and it is digitalized program that we have to do. So equipped tobacco wellness center, this is another thing. I will show you what are the equipment that is required. A proper tobacco wellness center should have a proper equipment and proper system that we need to intervene. Training, that is again a most important part, and I believe that the training that I Can Care is giving is the best in India, with the backing up of the Gujarat University, who did a lot of before they granted us accreditation, they had to see each and every aspect. So this is another very important aspect. The self-help materials, yes, like these books and all, and there are a lot of means. I will just show them what are these materials that is definitely unique, which are required for our tobacco cessation to be successful. The unique motivational materials, again, these are certain things that we how to motivate these people. Motivation can come down over a period of time. तो हमें उनको किस तरह से motivation के बनाए रखना है, वो भी बहुत important है. And then what we इसके साथ हमने ऐड किया एक quit coach system, क्योंकि ये जो patients होते हैं जब घर चले जाते हैं तो उनको पहले तो मोटिवेट होके जाते हैं. हॉस्पिटल में तो काफी मोटिवेट है, हॉस्पिटल का माहौल भी ऐसा होता है कि उनको काफी मोटिवेशन लगता है, नहीं अब तो मुझे छोड़ना है, मेरे को छोड़ना है. लेकिन जैसे ही घर पहुंचते हैं, जैसे उनको वापस तलब आती है, वैसे जैसे विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स आते हैं, तो उनका जो के लिए हम लोगों ने एक क्विट कोच जो है, जिन पेशेंट्स को जरूरत है, दोज हु आर एजुकेटेड एंड हु वांट सम हेल्प, वी कैन प्रोवाइड देम ए हेल्प थ्रू ए central helpline number and through the quit coach system. So community network is another which I have already shown. So these whole aspect is the requirement to make a successful tobacco cessation system. So these are the things that we have got, and definitely this makes us one of the best system that we have developed at iCanCare, and we have set up at Max Hospital, and of course we'll like to set up at multiple places. So oral care is something that is required, and this is again I'm saying, with tobacco cessation we need to have a oral care, and it is not mutually exclusive, it is a mutually inclusive thing that has to be provided. And this is something that I want to highlight. The whole system being there, oral health system, then probably the patients does not find it very interesting to visit this system for just a tobacco cessation. So this oral care in a cancer setup is a very important thing along with tobacco cessation that has to be given for these patients. So these are some of the areas, जो हम लोग हर patients को बोलते हैं कि why this patient should visit this oral care and tobacco cessation center, like before surgery, mouth opening exercises, the Tris care system that is there. Before radiation, all these patients should undergo tobacco cessation as well as oral care, right? I need not highlight that, but maintain oral hygiene, fluoride treatment, and restoration of teeth, prosthesis appliances. And for these patients who have undergone surgery, oral hygiene, again prosthesis and implants, appliances like operator, dental guide, sharp teeth needs to be taken care. Sometimes the teeth is impinging on the buccal mucosa, that also needs to be taken care. So these centers develops for all these things that is required. So mouth opening exercises, all stages, this is again for all types of cancer, all types of patients. So these are also part of the treatment that we have to give for the persons who visits a tobacco cessation center. As I have mentioned here, a simple dental abscess can lead to a fatal outcome, and this can also take place. So for those patients who are undergoing bisphosphonate therapy, again, a cancer or bone metastasis, these patients require a treatment before, a proper extractions of proper cleaning, a proper care of the teeth and the oral cavity before a bisphosphonate therapy can be given to this. I had a patient, an elderly lady who was a recurrent case of CA breast, and she was started with bisphosphonate therapy, and unfortunately she ended up with the osteonecrosis of the jaw, and she had to undergo surgery not once but twice. And this could have been avoided agar hum log ne unko pehle se hi, before we started the bisphosphonate therapy, if you could have taken the treatment and given her some proper care. Multiple myeloma, again this bisphosphonate therapy is required. Cancer with multiple metastasis, again oral hygiene, jaise maine kaha, this patient was, most of these patients maybe tobacco users. Along with tobacco, they would require some dental care and oral care also. And this one of this patient that I had given an example, he had a teeth abscess which needed to be taken care, and a simple, which was not diagnosed, and the patient was put on the palliative care for a very long time, had palliative medicines, palliative painkillers. Renal cell carcinoma, again before we give tyrosine kinase inhibitors like sunitinib and sorafenib, we need to take care. Routine oral and dental care, oral prophylaxis, oral rehabilitation, and regular follow-up along with tobacco cessation is a must for all the patients who visit the tobacco, who visits a cancer hospital, right? You will see that it is just not the patients who have got oral cancer, but the patients with different other cancers also need to visit tobacco cessation, like lung cancer patient, esophageal cancer, most of them will have, and not just the patient's relatives who walk in, they also need to be given some idea that yes, they need to go for a tobacco cessation, and this actually creates that ripple effect that is required in the society. And these preventive health packages, again the dental care and tobacco cessation, and of course the submucosal fibrosis, that has to be taken care. And this is another thing that we have developed at iCanCare, which is a mouth opener. See, most of the patients who are taking tobacco, the chewing tobacco, they will have submucosal fibrosis. So what we need to do is we need to give them a care, and this is what we call the ABCD of tobacco cessation. I'll just tell you about that. So all these specific medications, Along with that, this oral TRISCare, which has been developed, that needs a proper intervention for tobacco cessation. Now, tobacco cessation for submucosal fibrosis related due to maybe because of the supari and other thing that is being used, and this actually TRISCare helps a lot for these patients preoperatively, post-surgically, post-radiotherapy, and during radiotherapy. This may be an instrument that is a must for all these patients. So when we look at this, that is a huge impact of oral care. Definitely better uptake of treatment. The prognosis is better. Oral complications, particularly from radiotherapy to head and neck, is decreased. Oral complications like abscess can lead to fatal outcome after hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, that is the bone marrow, that transplant, that also can be taken care. Overall improve the well-being of the patients. So this is a important aspect that we have to take. The impact of tobacco cessation, of course, better outcome of treatment like free flaps, anesthesia induction and recovery, ICU care, withdrawals and blood pressure fluctuations, cough, PNS, and respiratory infections that can be decreased because if we take care of the tobacco at the early stage. Of course, secondary preventions of cancer and other diseases like cardiovascular and other things that also can be taken care because of this. So, but the challenge in the any center is the lack of awareness among the oncologists. But at the same time, besides the lack of knowledge or the lack of the oncologist being motivated, there is a very important thing that we need to have specialists in the at the right place in the tobacco cessation center who can give the best care, a comprehensive care, a standard care, a digitalized care to the patient, so that it can be really the results are successful. So here it is that the current scenario is there is a I want to quit. There is a lot of people who want to quit. There is a need of a tobacco cessation specialist, a world where a trained tobacco cessation specialist available to every patient. This is what we look forward, and this is we start from the tobacco cessation center at oncology centers is one of the most important. So Iskandar, what we have started is something, to make this specialists available. As Dr. Mudit has said, what we have started is a tobacco training program, and this is the first such program which is being accredited by Gujarat University, so that we can train people across India as marshals, as ambassadors, or as specialists, as and various ways through online courses and offline courses as well. And we help to set up tobacco wellness centers and tobacco cessation centers at hospitals and multi-specialty clinics as a powered or franchise or alliance centers, and creating successful tobacco quit champions in the society. So what are the requirements? The requirements can be like hardware, the furnitures, fixtures, health screening devices, instruments. The software is basically iCanCare e-cessation app. This is the most important thing that actually makes it definitely a successful program. The IEC resources, the posters, the motivational merchandises, and the quit line assistance. So these are the requirements to make sure that you have a successful program at your place. So this is a resource. This is the app which has got two parts: the doctor's parts and the user's part. The doctor's part is for intervention, how to go in a systematic intervention program, and then bring out an e-prescription for these patients, which can be taken care for the patient. Sometimes, a lot of patients who come for who has insurance, they do not want it to be noted down in the system in the paper. So for this purpose, the tobacco cessation e-prescription goes as a separate prescription for the patient, so that there is no confrontation with the insurance companies. So for those who want to, for the users, जो हमारे patients हैं, उनके लिए भी that tobacco app gives a lot of knowledge articles, lot of oral screening, self-oral examinations. There are data there, lot of blogs. So, and the patients can see or capture his own willpower, the quit tobacco index, the assessment index, the withdrawal symptoms, everything can be uploaded and kept in the app. So this is something very unique that the patients can look forward for. And this is the type of prescription that we give. And this is a progress report, the every approach, what is happening at weekly intervals, how the patient is progressing. So the doctor, the oncologist who refers the patient is also satisfied that yes, something is really happening to these patients. So like, here we have got the body support, the quit coach assistance, the medications, all these things, what type of intervention is required, how much is required, we are taking care. And iske saath saath, what we need is that we do a comprehensive oral cavity examination, the neck examination, so that jo patients who have been referred by the oncologist, maybe from a different, not from the head and neck department, but from the different department, they can be also taken care. Plus those patients who walk in from the community, like when we do community services, community programs, so a lot of patients will come in. For them also, this oral cavity examination becomes a must. In addition, this can be a part in the society as well. So these are the kit that we use, including CO monitors, the pulse oximeters, the peak flow meters, and many other things like calipers and other things. And these are some of the things like instruments which are required for these centers, to make it a successful centers. And these are some of the instruments like acapella, spirometers, and these are the medications that we need to prescribe, like varenicline, nicotine replacement therapy, nicotine gums, patches, lozenges. Then therapy for the comorbidities, like a lot of these patients will have nutritional deficiencies, they need supplements for immunity, they may be having so many other problems, when we see like those patients will have constipations, the withdrawal symptoms, constipation, insomnia, anorexia, so many other things that also needs to be taken care. And this is what we call it as ABCD of tobacco cessation: active motivation, behavioral therapy, C is for comorbid conditions, and D is for drugs or medications that we require. So these are some of the books that I have written and which are very helpful to our patients. And these are in multiple languages, and these are very helpful for the patients to go through, and even for the doctors. This book like Tobacco Cessation Comprehensive Guide is mainly for the doctors, and this is for the institutions, how to make the institution tobacco free. So these are some of the books which are exclusively given for this, and these are the motivational materials which are given to the patients, like when we ask them to go for a announcement, and the patient may not be able to announce, but these motivational materials keep them motivated when they go home. So these are some of the things. And of course, the Tobacco Cessation Quit program with the application, this app can be downloaded, and we definitely look forward for all of you to join our Facebook page, which will the I Can Care community, which will give you a continuous, regular updates and for our programs and updates. So this is a Quitline number that we have also started, for the patients across any place, so that they can connect with us and they can be taken care through our Quitline or through our quit specialists, or who are the certified tobacco cessation specialists who are available online on the virtual system. So this is 011-430-77695, which I would suggest that you can take it down. So before I end, I just want to listen to this wonderful story of this gentleman. I think, are you able to hear?
डॉक्टर साहब के पास आया था, डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता के पास, बायोप्सी करा के गया था अपनी। मुझे स्मोकिंग की आदत थी, लेकिन अब मैं 2021 में फिर दोबारा आया हूँ, लेकिन मेरे डॉक्टर हर्षिता से अभी ट्रीटमेंट लिया है। बहुत अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया ट्रीटमेंट है। अब मैं खुश हूँ, मेरी भैया भी बड़ी खुश है। मुझे तम्बाकू की कोई इस तरह तलब भी नहीं लगती, मतलब मुझे कोई इस तरह की लेना ही लेना है। मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है अपनी लाइफ में।
कहाँ से लिया ट्रीटमेंट?
मैंने मैक्स वैशाली से, सर गाजियाबाद।
मैक्स वैशाली कौन से सेंटर? आई कैन केयर सेंटर?
हाँ जी, आई कैन सेंटर।
आई कैन केयर?
हाँ, आई कैन केयर सेंटर से।
ठीक।
हाँ जी, बताएं। तो मुझे इंसल्ट महसूस होती थी, क्या नाम है, स्मोकिंग करते हुए किसी के सामने डॉक्टर बच्चे के साथ कहीं गए तो स्मोकिंग की आदत है, तो वहाँ थोड़ा अच्छा अपने आप में भी अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं आती थी, लेकिन अब वेल वे। और धन्यवाद डॉक्टर साहब को, डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता को, डॉक्टर हर्षिता को, और हमारे रमेश जी को भी। मुझे इंसल्ट महसूस होती थी, क्या नाम, स्मोकिंग करते हुए किसी के सामने बच्चे के साथ कहीं गए तो स्मोकिंग की आदत है, तो वहाँ ले रहे थोड़ा अच्छा अपने आप में भी अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं आती थी, लेकिन अब वेल वे। और धन्यवाद डॉक्टर साहब को, डॉक्टर पवन गुप्ता को, डॉक्टर
you would have seen that this is the means how good they feel after the happiness that you can see on the face, on the family, the family, how much happy they are once these people quit tobacco. ये जो है मिस्टर विपिन जो है, he had come to me in 2019. उस समय उनका कुछ लीकोप लेके आया था, मैंने उनका एक्सरसाइज कर दिया था, and then this patient was feeling कि अब तो मैं ठीक हो गया, and he continued to smoke. Right. अगर हम जनरली, दिस इज वन ऑफ द चैलेंज दैट वी फेस, कि अगर हम लोग उनको बोलते हैं छोड़ने के लिए तो इमीडिएटली वो छोड़ने के लिए शायद तैयार नहीं होते, और वो तैयार क्यों नहीं होते, ये चैलेंजेस हैं। इसके बारे में तो हम लोग को काफी थेरेपी वगैरह देनी होती है कि वो चैलेंजेस को कैसे हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। और उसके बाद जब 2021 में फिर से वापस आया और उसके दोबारा फिर से जब लीकोप्लेकिया हो गया, देन ही वाज सो मच मोटिवेटेड कि उसको छोड़ना है। उनकी वाइफ, डॉटर, सभी लोग बड़े टेंस थे, सो वी कुड हेल्प हिम टू क्विट टोबैको। And now you can see, you could have heard him how good he is feeling that कि उनको से तंबाकू जैसे जो बीमारी थी उससे वो अब मतलब छोड़ चुके हैं, और जो दूसरी जो बीमारी थी जो लीकोप्लेकिया वगैरह होता उससे भी वो उसका भी ट्रीटमेंट हो चुका है। so you see a comprehensive treatment, and this is what we call it as ABCD of tobacco cessation। जो कि हम जब भी tobacco cessation देते हैं तो it has to be a complete picture, a complete system that has to be given to the patients। A is for active motivation and follow up। अगर हम पेशेंट को फॉलो अप नहीं करेंगे, then the likely thing is that these patients are not going to be tobacco free, or they will have a lot of relapses। So this is an active motivation। B is for behavioral therapy। इनके जो अलग अलग बिहेवियरल थेरेपी है उनको हम लोग डेफिनेटली वी लुक फॉरवर्ड कि इनको कैसे बिहेवियरल थेरेपी को हम लोग कैसे कंट्रोल करें, इनके विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स को कैसे कंट्रोल करें, इनके क्रेविंग्स को कैसे कंट्रोल करें। उसके लिए हमें उनका जो हमारा जो ऐप है आई कैन केयर ऐप, उसको थ्रू से हम लोग पूरा डिटेल्स में उनका बिहेवियर्स को चेक करते हैं, और अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू एडवाइज कि व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स दैट नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर। देयर आर 3 components of tobacco that needs to be taken care। One is the psychological component, the social component, as well as the physical component। All the 3 components have to be taken care, and this is done by a trained certified tobacco cessation specialist। And that is the crux, that a proper training, proper system, if it is set, then definitely it will definitely work towards making it a successful program। Then if you look at C is the comorbid conditions। comorbid conditions का मतलब ये होता है कि हम लोग we have to जो इसके साथ में जो comorbidities हैं, जो associated diseases हैं, जो associated withdrawal symptoms है, that also needs to be taken care। The supplements have to be given, the constipation, there are around 16 withdrawal symptoms that are documented। Each a tobacco cessation specialist has to be trained in taking care of all of them and guiding the patients accordingly। So this is another very important thing that has to be taken care। And the D, of course, the drugs, the nicotine replacement therapy, varenicline, bupropion, there are many medications that are required, and along with that maybe antioxidants and some other medication that is required, that has to be also given to make it a successful tobacco cessation program। So I think I am open for a discussion। So over to you, Dr. Mudit, and thanks for giving me this opportunity।
So Dr. Pawan, it is our pleasure that you have enlightened so much about this, because you have done such extensive work on tobacco cessation, and I think there are some questions I think you will be the better person to answer। That is Mrs. Aruna Ummat has asked you to enroll for cessation course, what qualification is required, and does he need medical knowledge?
Okay, so there are 3 courses that we have got। One is the Marshall's course, that is the basic course in tobacco control। So this Marshall's course is mainly meant for common people, commoners, that who can be given anything, from the social background, the teachers, the students। So that is for the commoners। So the tobacco marshals are the influencers of the society। So they work in the society, and rather I will say हम उनको ना जैसे इन्फिल्ट्रेट कर देते हैं सोसाइटी में, जैसे कि वो जहां भी जाए, अगर शादी में भी गए, कहीं पर भी गए, लोगों को मिले तो वो दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट टोबैको सिचुएशन इंटेलिजेंटली, राइट। जनरली हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि तंबाकू छोड़ दो, तंबाकू खराब है, तंबाकू खराब है, बट हाउ मच इट इज बैड, व्हाट इज द वे, तो ये टोबैको मार्शल्स करते हैं। सो इट इज ओपन फॉर एवरीवन, दैट इज नंबर 1। नंबर 2 is the ambassadors। Ambassadors are the paramedics, that is the orientation course in tobacco cessation। This is mainly for the paramedics and even for the doctors। But the third course, which is a very specialized course, this is a special certified tobacco cessation specialist course। This is mainly for the doctors, the dental doctors, the medical doctors, or Ayurvedic, or even for the homeopathic doctors। So this is basically doctor write the prescription of the medications what are required। So these are the 3 different levels।
And what is the duration of this courses, they ask?
Okay, Okay, so the duration, the master's course is basically for 4 hours, and it is for 2 days, 2 days course. The ambassadors course, that is the OCTC course, orientation course in tobacco cessation, is a 8 hours course, and it is basically for 4 days, 2 hours each. And the other course, which is the specialized course, it is for 16 hours, and it is for 8 days. So 8 days or 8 weeks, but we are doing one every Wednesday. It is done for 2 hours.
Dr. Dimla Deni has asked, sir, do the tobacco cessation clinic needs always to be associated with hospitals? Can they exist independently also or not?
Of course, they can exist independently. The only thing that we have to work out is how to get the patients in, right? And by doing community programs, by doing workshops, and being able to develop the network, it can work in a private clinic, in a private setup, and definitely it will be more successful. So we need to have it in the hospitals, because hospitals mein to patients aate hi aate hain. In the private clinic, of course, we need to have the network so that the patients will come into the clinic.
Okay, I think Dr. Pawan Gupta has asked. Dr. Varsha Agarwal has asked one question that मेरे पति गुटखा खाते हैं और मैं खुद कैंसर की पेशेंट रही हूँ, तो मैं भी काफी समझाती हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो कैसे हम उनकी मदद कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल वर्षा जी, इसका बहुत ही जरूरी है कि वो तंबाकू छोड़ें। तो इसके लिए हमारे जो सिस्टम सेट है, या तो आपको जहां पर जो टोबैको सेशन सेंटर्स है वहां पर जाना पड़ेगा, या नहीं तो आपको, जैसे मैंने अपना क्विटलाइन नंबर दिया था, आप उसमें आप कांटेक्ट करके आप हमारे जो मोटिवेटर्स हैं और हमारे जो टोबैको सेशन स्पेशलिस्ट हैं ऑनलाइन, दे विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू आउट, राइट? सो अगर आप मुझे अगर अलाउ करो तो आई कैन गिव द नंबर. So the number is 011-430-77695. So this is a ICANN क्विटलाइन नंबर, जहाँ पे हमारे टोबैको सेशन स्पेशलिस्ट उनको मोटिवेट करके हेल्प करते हैं. और मैं आपको इतना बता देता हूँ, जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट, कि ये जो हमारा जो क्विटलाइन नंबर है, दिस इज ए पेड क्विटलाइन नंबर. गवर्नमेंट के भी क्विटलाइन नंबर है विच आर अनपेड, विच आर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, right? So these are all paid quitlines, because we are employing people, we have got people who are taking care in a very specialized way.
Okay, so actually we have brought out very good points about how to take care. So what I understand, what you gave the concept that you have one room in the hospital setup which is dedicated for tobacco cessation, and which has got a dental setup as well for oral examination and oral treatment, as well as a tobacco cessation, or it is done by the staff. How many staff do you recommend? Because usually you require a dentist, then you require a psychosocial person who can do a behavioral therapy of the person, or is it a one person? What do you recommend for that?
This is a बहुत ही important चीज डॉक्टर मुदित आपने पूछा. Basically क्या है, whenever you have a tobacco cessation centers within the hospital, so within the hospital you will have a lot of support staff already there, like the nurses which are already there. Specifically for a tobacco cessation center, we need agar if you see, there are two models. One is that we have the oral screening also. Like in a cancer setup, we need to have oral screening as well as tobacco oral care and a tobacco cessation. So uske liye I would suggest, if we have a dental person who has been trained in tobacco cessation, skilled in tobacco cessation, and along with that we need an assistant who will be there. This dental person actually doubles both the work. She acts as a behavioral therapy expert as well as the specialist also. Under all this thing has to be guided by someone special, someone senior, like maybe like Mudit or Dr. Diwan or someone, who will be the senior, who will be taking care of the whole system there, so that the things are under proper control and proper system, right? Which is independently. Then there are things that may go wrong, because I find when it is being done under my care, I see that what are the requirements and what is the system that is required is taken care at the right time. Because most of these cancer patients, by the time the dental person gets trained what are the requirement, it may take some time. So we need to support them till they are properly trained for independently working on that, right? So this will actually help that. In addition to that, what is also required is a network, what I would say, the medications, the pharmacy, the motivational materials, and the equipment that is required in the for the center. And the most important is the app, the protocol that needs to be followed, that has to be standardized protocol, जिससे कि हमें पता चलेगा कि किस तरीके का पेशेंट है, कहां पर है, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Otherwise it will just go haphazard. I think I answered your question, Mudit.
Yeah. So one more question has come up. Any tumor markers advised to be done for oral squamous cell carcinoma, particularly post radiation? My relative is under follow-up at RGCRI for CARMT post surgery and his PET MRI is normal. I think somebody has not put his name, he has put like that. I will just say that you follow whatever your doctors are saying, and there's no tumor marker to say that there's oral squamous cell carcinoma is there. So Dr. Pawan, other thing which we face here is that that how to maintain the follow-up of these patients. What happens that first time they will come and they will be very motivated and you tell them everything. And the thing is that after that they are lost. So they don't come for follow-up. So if follow-up is not there, definitely relapse rate or quit rate is very high. So how to do that? How do you do that? Yeah.
Mudit, यही है हमारा success story. So this is how we this is what I faced also, मैंने करने के लिए. Mudit, this is the reason why, because most of the time हम लोग तो ये सोचते हैं ना, हमने तो बोल दिया पेशेंट को, अब पेशेंट तो छोड़ देगा. But probably the system is that the biggest obstacle or the biggest hurdle is the doctors sending the patient to the tobacco cessation center. एक बार जब मोटिवेशन हो गया, then this patient needs to be followed up. अब वो follow up कैसे करा जाए? Once the patient is within the system that standardized, if the protocol, when the patient has undergone through the protocol, the digitalized system, now इसका record बन गया, and these patients are followed up by the doctor or by the quit coaches. So this is the another thing that we have added, the behavioral therapy expert. The quit coaches has to be there, who will be following up these patients on a regular aspect. Initially, when the numbers are less, the doctor they will follow up. As the number grows up, then we will have to employ another person who will be taking, who might be a nursing staff, or who might be the dental assistant, the assistant who can be trained to follow up these patients as a quit coach on a regular basis and taking care of the withdrawal symptoms of these patients.
Okay.
See, सबसे बड़ा जो हमारा obstacle है, the roadblock is the withdrawal symptoms that these patients will have once they go home. That craving. So if that has to be followed, and that is what I had said, the A, B, C, D of tobacco cessation. The A is for, which I have highlighted again and again, it is the active motivation and follow-up. Uske bina, this patient will again relapse. 100% they will relapse.
Okay. So basically, close follow-up is required anyhow these patients, otherwise relapse rate will be high. And
Yes.
We have to keep on motivating them whenever opportunity is there, and we have to take care of the family as well. It's not about the person only who is consuming, it's the family, the atmosphere which he is living in, which is motivating them, his friends.
Yeah. So उसी को हम बोलते हैं quit buddy बोलते हैं उसको. We have the quit buddy.
Okay.
So these people in the environment, those patients, the people who are there within the home, they also needs to follow up. उनको support system करना है. So ये जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, कई बार ये पेशेंट जो है ना, कई बार वो झूठ भी बोल जाते हैं कि अरे हमने तो छोड़ दिया डॉक्टर साहब, हमें तो नहीं ले रहे. तो हमारे पास दो रास्ते हैं, या तो हम लोग उनका कोटिनिन टेस्ट करें यूरिन का, या फिर हम लोग रिलाई करें ऑन द क्विट बडी. So this quit buddies is again another system that we have set, जिससे कि ये quit buddies at home, they keep on informing us, and a group is made. Actually a group is made for each patient, और उसमें वो quit buddy जो है ना, that they keep on informing. And then what we have also started, I couldn't say everything in details today, but we have also started is a group intervention therapy, a group intervention, which every week we have it once, so that people can join that group intervention. And once they want some in the group, they want some explanation or they want some help, we can give them some guidance.
I think the phone number, somebody is again asked him, because when you told that they're not able to note it down.
Okay.
Can you tell the number again, please?
Okay. You want me to write it down here?
Yeah. If you can write it down, that will be best. They can.
So I'll tell 011 430 77695.
77
695.
695. Okay.
People can connect with us also on the I Can Care app or I Can Care community page also on the Facebook. You just type right I Can Care community page and they can connect with us. So that will be also
Okay, some chat is there and chat box they put how to handle psychological stress when being diagnosed with cancer and roadblocks of quitting tobacco. So I think I will just answer that, Dr. Pawan, that this is you require a psycho-oncologist counseling, which is there in most of the cancer setup, as well as you need to have a tobacco cessation clinic, which Dr. Pawan has told about, and his number, which is there if he has already put forward in the chat box. So people can go into it, and first most important is the treatment of the cancer, and then after that and with that, along with that, it starts your tobacco cessation as well, because the people who continue smoking or taking tobacco, their cancer will also not heal. It will come back again very soon. So becomes a very important part of the treatment. It is a treatment. It is not something prevention we are doing. It's a treatment part where tobacco cessation has to be done. Means tobacco has to go from the life of the person. Not only tobacco, alcohol as well. It's not. We always keep on talking about tobacco. It's not tobacco, alcohol, and supari. All these things are detrimental for cancer treatment. It should be there. Okay. Any other, Dr. Pawan, anything you want to say or message you want to put forward?
Yeah, just one thing that I want to add here is, see, the psychological stress. The psychological stress is mainly related to his health and because of the morbidity associated with the treatment, as well as probably the cancer word itself says that you are near to your death. Right. So as a doctor, what I need to do is basically give him the assurance, depending upon the stage of the disease, what type of treatment I'm going to give. So once he's satisfied with the treatment aspect, the quality of life that he's going to expect after the treatment, then of course the roadblocks of the quitting tobacco can be taken care very easily. The biggest roadblock was basically once the patient is diagnosed of cancer, the roadblocks are already taken care. It's an assurance of the treatment, the outcome, and that yes, he can be given the tobacco cessation without any withdrawal symptoms or without any harm. So this is the psychological aspect that we need to take.
Yeah, Dr. Aruna was asking that what many patients might not be coming forward because they are fearsome that they might be diagnosed of cancer. So that stress is also there when they come to a tobacco cessation clinic or for screening. They always have in mind that I am taking tobacco and I'm likely to have cancer. So because of that fear, they might not be coming forward for screening and for tobacco cessation. I think that was the thing which they were asking. So how to take care of that?
Yes. So that is, you see, there are two aspects to it. Number one, these are the roadblocks actually. These are the roadblocks why the person doesn't want to take a tobacco cessation. The number one, the greatest roadblock is the fear that if he's diagnosed of cancer when they come to the tobacco cessation center. Of course, what we are doing is a screening. We have to give them the assurance that agar wo detect hota bhi hai at early stage, they can be cured completely. So I just always say oral cancer, three things are there in oral cancer. Oral cancer is easily detectable, easily curable, and easily preventable. So these three aspects have to be told to all the people along, and that is the work of the marshals in the society, that they influence the people and guide them rightly. The second greatest roadblock for any tobacco cessation person is that कि वो कैसे छोड़ेगा, और वो पहले से भी छोड़ने की कोशिश कर चुका है लेकिन वो हार चुका है. तो हमारे टोबैको सेशन सेंटर से जो हमारे हैं, अगर वो उनको बताएंगे और एश्योर करेंगे कि उनके जितने भी उसके जो विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स होंगे, क्रेविंग्स होंगे, दैट कैन बी टेकन केयर, all the aspects can be taken care, and I am there. The most important is that I am there to take care of you. If that assurance can be given, of course these patients will definitely, if not 100%, at least 80% of the patient will walk into the tobacco cessation center to get treatment.
I think Dr. Pawan has answered most of the queries wonderfully and explicitly, and because of his vast experience in this field, and he's doing a wonderful social job, and it's a great boon to the society. So I think I congratulate him for such a wonderful talk and good work what he's doing. And I've learned so much from him, and I think our hospital also, and we will like to take some tips which he have already taken, and we will invite him somewhere the hospital so that we can also have good tobacco cessation clinic as like app, which he told was a very great idea, which we don't have at present. So these things we can build up or with his support. Thank you, Dr. Pawan, and it was nice, and it was our pleasure to invite you for this talk.
Thank you, Mudit.
And for the audience, I would like to tell you that in the next series we are having diet and cancer, which will be on 27th September, and speaker is Dr. Vineet Talwar, and moderation is by Irfan Ahmed, Dr. Irfan Ahmed. So the next series will be related to how the diet influences the cancer and how can we prevent that. So next time we will be meeting with Dr. Vineet Talwar and Dr. Irfan Ahmed. And thank you, Dr. Pawan, for joining us, and it was our pleasure, definitely. Thank you.
Thanks, Mudit, and thanks the whole team for inviting me. And I'm sure we have got people across India who have joined here, and I'm sure means you do connect with us and you be with us on our Facebook page so that we can definitely help you up, because these are the centers which are definitely required, and we will take forward and create or help you to set up such centers across India. Thank you so much, Mudit, and thank you to the RGCI team for the wonderful program. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.